Girl, don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right.
Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a very colorful sunshine makeup look. We're going to start off with a very fluffy brush that I got into my Ulta kit. It's a blush brush, but you know, it works. And my Beauty Vault palette that I got at Burlington. So we're going to start off with a yellow shade called Sunshine as a transition shade to blend to the crease and add warmth to this look. Here I just switched to my Profusion makeup palette to use a more mustard darker color on top of the recent yellow we just used. We are now going back into the same palette and we're using a tangerine orange shade, packing the orange shade layered beneath the previous yellow with a blending brush. This is also a Ulta brush. Here I'm just trying to spread out the orange out in a circular motion so it doesn't create any harsh lines. I just kept going back in with the same shade until I got the results I wanted because I'm going for that bright look. Now I'm going back in with my Profusion palette and I'm using this red metallic shade. I'm going to spread this with a defining eyeshadow brush and into the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye, back and forth. Using an eyeshadow sponge, we're going to add this lipstick color called Merlot from the same palette I've been using. Starting from the lash line, building it upwards. I'm using lipstick because it has a better hold, and sometimes when you're using like red eyeshadows, it doesn't come out red, it mostly comes out pink. But right after, I'm going to put the same color eyeshadow on top of this lipstick and it's just going to look way better. Right here, I'm using a flat brush to actually go in with that burgundy rosy eyeshadow shade on top of the lipstick, and we're going to just pat it on back and forth just how we did with the lipstick. You don't want any harsh lines, so I'm going in with the eyeshadow brush to make it more a smoky look. I'm using a flat top blooming brush to redarken it in the middle with the same shade, but this time mixing it with a neon red called Magenta. Going back into the orange shade, we're going to build it up a little more, making sure it pops, creating that sunset effect. I'm going to link down below in the description box where I got my makeup brush set from, so make sure to check that out. We don't want to forget about that transition shade, so I went back into my palette and I reapplied that yellow mustard eyeshadow. This is optional. I just added this light galaxy purple color in the middle with my fingertip. Next, I use the shimmer tube as highlight, but you can use actual highlight. I have highlight, I just used this because it had this more nude glow. But then I added gold on top, so any gold highlight will do. I used it once again to highlight the bottom of my eyebrows. But like I said, actual highlight will do. I got these eyelashes at Burlington and they're so nice. Like, the lash line is not too thin or thick, and they're a beautiful set of different eyelashes. I chose the most dramatic eyelashes out this packet since I'm not doing a winged eyeliner for this look.
I use dual glue to apply these eyelashes and it's really good. It lasts long. It doesn't smell good, but I really recommend it.
I'm gonna use the same shadows I used up top with a defining eyeshadow brush. Then I'm taking the red metallic shade with a fluffy brush below the yellow. Back with the defining eyeshadow brush. Now taking the maroon shade on the corner of my low lash line. Then pop in that orange and bright red right in the middle underneath the lashes. With my makeup sponge, I apply my Wet n Wild concealer underneath my eyelids to take away any extra makeup residue and create a cleaner look. With my thin eyeliner pencil, I applied black gel eyeliner at the ends of the corner of my eye, not to create a wing, but for it to have a sharp look. Since the makeup is already bold, I wanted to go for a more warm-toned nude lip color. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.